Hey, Saspreneurs, welcome to day 9 of our 30-day high level mastery, where we look at one simple advice to implement in your business straight away. So, yesterday we looked at my fancy power pivot framework that helps you to audit and find out gaps in the current marketing and sales process. So, today we're going to look at the first element of power acronym. So, P stands for product and pricing. So, the very first thing you need to actually call it a business is an actual product that people will actually pay money and buy, right? So, product and pricing is pretty crucial. So, market validation is key. So, already I've told you one thing that I have done really well in my business, and I've actually insist all my clients to follow is sell first, create next, meaning you actually let the market validate whether the people would actually pay money for that particular product. You believe that's the right product. You believe there's a good scope for that. But unless the market validates it, I don't think it's a viable product that can be used to scale your business. So, first thing is identifying a product and a different pricing. So, pricing, this is where a lot of people get into, a lot of self doubt. They get into a lot of confusion and complicated. So, keep it simple. For us, it's a one off setup fee and then a monthly retainer, depending on what services they take. If they just need access to CRM, there's a simple pricing. And then if they choose some other software with a service SaaS model, then there is another retainer. That's it. Keep it simple. And also, Dakota says keep it really, really simple. He keeps as one monthly pricing, or you can choose if you're paying yearly, then you pay for 10 months and you get 2 months for free. Or, you basically get some discount because you're paying 1 year in advance. So only two pricing. So from three tiers, you can have gold, silver, diamond, or basic, advanced, premium. I think I have started to believe that Dakota's pricing model is pretty straightforward. You pay one off every month. This is the price. I mean, you pay, annually in advance, then it's at a discount. So I think I like that pricing model, but I still have the three-tier model. If they choose a software with a packaging type of business. So product and pricing is the first thing when you do a gap analysis is to identify again, the three different types of offers we saw earlier. What is your foot in the door kind of an offer, okay, or a product? What's the price for that? What's the upsell? And then what is the retainer? So, three simple things. You need one basic product to get your foot in the door. You need one offer to scale or to upsell, and then one product so the business can keep paying you. So, three different types of offers to think about when you're thinking about product and pricing is currently my offer. But you can follow the three different pricing model, or you can keep it simple like Dakota's monthly and yearly, whatever suits your business and your client's business. You can basically implement product and pricing. So, getting this right is crucial to building the whole CRM and setting them up. So when I sit and audit a client's business, the first thing I look at is what are you actually selling? What price point are you selling? What is your upsell? What is your downsell? What if people don't have that money? Do you have anything to get them in um, to basically help them? The other way to think about it, not in terms of pricing, not in terms if you really don't know what to sell, then I would classify products as three different categories. One is DIY, okay? Anything that people can do themselves. It could be a course, it could be learning through a webinar, whatever it is, that is DIY. You can think about products that is DIY, which will be a low tier, low price model. Next is your done with you model, which is your coaching, workshopping type of offer, where it's a done with you, where you spend time with them. It could be one on one or one to many, where you sit down and you help them do it, which will be your middle tier. And then comes your done for you offer, which is the high priced version where it's completely done for the client. So if you're struggling to find out products, this is also another way to basically classify your product and choose different pricing, whether it's DIY, where you do it once and then I don't believe in the word passive income. It's not passive. You still have to actively drive traffic to it. The next one is a done with you model, and then the last one is done for you. So think about it and let me know what is your three different tiers or what your product and pricing that you're planning to sell your SaaS business. So if you have any questions in niching down or finding out your product and what you should price at, reach out to me and I would be happy to have a chat. I'll see you tomorrow with the next acronym O, which is online and offline presence.